Yeah, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Yeah, you're fine. So do you still remember what we had discussed the last time? Yeah, that's about unit, it's level 4, unit 12, lesson 4, right?
Yes.
We discussed about modals, the different modal verbs like can, may, should, must, like that. Okay, so I will share you the screen now for a while. I will share you the screen and let's continue that one. Then after, if we are finished, because we are only until lesson 5 to move to the next lesson. Okay, so we have here, by the way, I'm here in lesson 5. So that was our past lesson. That was, it's all about models. Okay, so teacher Ann told you it's quite hard because there are many rules that you have to remember about this. Okay, okay, so we need to go back here. Sorry, Chi.
Cut
Okay,
yourself.
Touch.
Burn.
Climb
how
up.
are you today?
Don't.
What time is your school? What time you will go to school?
It's
Break leg next.
1:30
Okay.
1:30 p.m.
1:30. Okay, so we have here. So I discussed here about the modal verbs here, and then about this. Okay, so we are done with this one with unit lesson 4. For lesson 5, we have here
Accident.
some of the words. Okay, first I would like to introduce some of the words that you might learn. Okay, or that you can have. Just first is the type.
Fall
Safe.
down.
Allow.
Keep.
Common.
Help.
Roll off.
Tip.
Okay, so these are the words. Type, it's lowai. Accident, tainan. Fall down, it's mua swang. And safe, it's antoine. I don't know how to pronounce that in Vietnamese. And allow, you have chupep. And keep, you know the word keep. I will keep this pen. Okay. Common, help, roll off, tip. Do you understand? Do you understand all of
Yes.
these words?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, very good. That's my girl. Okay, so now here, okay, so we have here, you will have to listen and repeat. Okay, so first here we have, don't play with the knife. Okay, I want. Okay. Don't play with matches. Okay, I want. Okay, like that. So let us listen, and then after that, we will have to repeat this one. Okay.
1.
Don't play with the knife. Okay, I won't.
2.
Don't play with matches. Okay, I won't.
3.
Why shouldn't I play with the knife? Because you may cut yourself.
4.
Why shouldn't I play with the stove? Because you may get a burn.
Okay. So those are. So I will be the one to read here, and you will have to reply to respond me. Okay. Don't play with a knife.
Okay, I won't.
Don't play with the matches.
Okay, I won't.
Why shouldn't I play with the knife?
Because you may cut yourself.
Why shouldn't I play with a stove?
Because you may get a burn.
Very good. So every time you will have to answer this, remember that when you say I want, it is the contraction of I will not. Okay? Do you understand,
Yes.
teacher? Okay, so when I say, okay, I want, it means that, okay, I will not. Okay? Do you understand,
Yeah.
teacher Anne? Okay, very good. That's good. Okay, so here, can you please listen and just try to answer what do you think is the correct word that you will have to fill in the gaps? Do you understand, teacher?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Chi. Okay, listen.
1. Don't play with the knife. 2. Don't climb the wall. 3. Why shouldn't he ride his motorbike too fast? 4. Why shouldn't she play with the stove?
Okay, so do you have your answer? Did you hear it clearly? You hear it?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Number 1, don't play with the blank. What's the answer?
Don't play with the knife.
Very good. Here, wait for a while. Teacher.
1.
Oh my God,
Don't
sorry.
play with the knife.
Okay. Okay, number 2, don't climb the blank. What's the answer?
Don't climb the wall.
Very good. Okay, why shouldn't you ride his blank too fast? It's
Why
less.
shouldn't he ride his motorbike too fast?
Very good. Why shouldn't she blank?
Why shouldn't she play the stove?
Yeah, very good. Let's see. Oh, why shouldn't she play the stove? Because you might get burned. Okay, so you know the stove, the one you use in cooking. Do you understand that? The one you use in cooking? Yeah, very good. Okay, do you understand? Okay, next activity. Let's move here. Okay, so we have here some of the words. Okay, teacher Ann will tell you about this one. You have to read and you have to choose the best title. What do you think is the best title for this? Okay. So we have here, falling is a common type of accident for young children at home. So you can see here, if you fall, so that's part of an accident. Okay? So you might have accident if you fall. Example, your little brother or your little sister just playing in the sofa. And then you find out that, oh my God, my little sister is fall down. My little sister fall down in the sofa or in the chair or in the bed. And then, so you have to be aware of that because it is part of accident. No one does it because it's accident. So you will have here, I have some tips for you to remember how you will take care of your baby brother or your baby sister. Do you have baby brother? You have, right? But not too baby. Okay, it's little brother but not baby, right? How old is
Yeah.
little brother?
Uh,
5?
it's 5 years old.
It's not baby, it's little brother. Okay, so you have to take care of your little brother, or if you have cousin which is baby, so you have to take note of the tips here. Okay. Okay, so here, so first here you have to make sure that he or she can't roll off the bed. Okay, so of course you have to watch out for that. Second, you have to make sure he or she can't open any windows. Okay, so you have to watch out of that because somehow the baby now or the little ones will go climb and then open the windows. Okay, what if they will fall down? Okay, number 3, don't let him or her go near the stairs. Do you have stairs? You told me you don't have, right?
Mm. Mm.
Okay, you don't have stairs? No stairs?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I can see your, what's that? Your bed, it's double deck. Okay, of course, there is a stair for that. I can see that you're, yeah, that one at the back of you, there is a stair. Okay, so you
Yes.
have to be, you have to tell your brother to be careful with that. But I guess your brother is already 5 years old and he can climb safely because I can see at the back that your stairs is quite safe. Okay, so here it's the next, the last one. Don't let him or her out on the balcony. Do you have balcony at home? Example, you are living in a flat and you are in the 15th floor. So somehow in the flat there are most of the flats there are balcony. Okay, so as much as possible, don't let him or her out on the balcony. It's very dangerous for the children to go out there without someone else. Okay, so you should or so you have to take care of your baby brother. So we are talking here about falling, which is part common type of accident. So if I were asked you, Chi, what do you think is the best title from the selection that I have given to you? Letter A, common accidents. Letter B, preventing children from falling. Or letter C, how to be safe at home. Do you think? What do you think, Chi?
I think dangerous.
Okay, this one. I mean, A, B, or C. What do you think is the best title? A, B, or C? You pick here. A, B, or C? It is common accident. It is preventing children from falling. Or it is letter C, how to be safe at home. What do you think?
Mm, is
Yes.
B.
Letter B. Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Oh, very good. You've got correct answer. So you got now 7 points. Okay, take note for that. 7 points. Okay. Now here, look at this one. Oh my God. You have to read and check. It's not tick, it's check. True or false. You know already what is true and you know what is false, right? So you will have to look at here, this selection, and please try to check here. You check here in the computer. If it's true, you check true. If you think it's not correct, you will check false. Okay? Okay, Chi?
Yes.
Okay. Try, go. You right here. Okay, so here, so let's see your answer. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, now, so we have here for number 1. Look at that one. Do you think that is correct? Babies may roll off the sofa. Do you think it's wrong? Is there a possibility that your baby may roll off a sofa? True or false?
False.
Okay, I will check. Tan. Oh my God! What happened? Okay, so I cannot see here the correct. Okay, sorry. Okay, so of course, there is a possibility that the baby may roll off the sofa. So it's true. Number 2, you shouldn't stop your baby brother or sister when he or she climbs the stairs. You should not stop. Is it true or false? You will just tell you, okay, you can climb the stairs. Your baby brother or your baby sister, is it true or false?
It's true.
True. The answer is you have to stop. So it is false. You have to stop your baby brother or your baby sister when he climbs the stairs. Number 3, you should make sure he or she can't roll off the bed. True, that's true. You have to make sure of that. That your baby brother and your baby sister cannot roll off the bed. Okay? 4, do not open any windows at home. It is do not open any windows at home. Is it true or false? Make sure he or she can't open any windows. Okay, so we are asking here, actually number 4 is quite complicated because it is not stated here properly who will be the one to open the window. So when we say that it's the baby who will open the window, this is true, this is false because you have to open the windows. We are only mentioning here about the baby. If we said, or if this answer 3, if the fourth statement is referring to the baby who will not open the window, it's true. Okay, so number 5, you allow him or her to play on the balcony alone sometimes. It's false. Yeah, it's false. Very good. So you've got 3 points. So you've got now 10 points. 10 over 12. Okay. 10 over 12. Okay. Now here, you will have to tell me what will happen. Okay. No will have now, you will tell me what will happen. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, first, Tony's playing with a sharp knife. Hey May, what will happen? He may. Tony's playing with a sharp knife. He may what?
He made that.
He may what? He's what's that? He's carrying a sharp knife. So he may, what will happen?
He's made.
Okay. Tony's playing with a sharp knife. He may blank. What do you think is the answer? Can you think of the answer?
Is break.
He may?
He might break his arm.
Or he may break his arm. Or he may cut his?
Oh,
Arm
It's
or
yourself.
finger? Oh, yes. Okay. Number 2. Linda's playing with a neighbor's cat. It may what? Linda's playing with a neighbor cat. It may what?
It may.
It may.
It may.
It may what? You think?
I think.
Okay.
I think.
Linda's playing with a neighbor's cat. It may what?
So it
It
may.
may. What is it? What is it may? Bite her. It may bite her. Or it may, the cat may scratch on her skin. Okay. You know the word bite? You know the word bite? Yeah. Okay. Number 3. Juan's riding his bike too fast. He may, what will happen?
He may. His.
He may.
He may. May.
He may.
Is my. Miss.
Okay. Juan's riding his bike too fast. He may. What will happen if you ride the bike too fast? What will happen?
He may broken his bike.
He may broke his bike or he may broke his legs. Okay, because he keep on biking too fast or he may fall on his bike, right? Do you understand, teacher? Yes, that might happen. That's what might happen. That's what may happen. So you will have to, if you ride his bike too fast, you may, what? You may break your legs, you may break the fall from the bike, and you may break your arms, of course. Okay, you understand, teacher?
Yes.
Okay, now here, okay. So we move next to lesson 13. Teacher will. Okay, here. So what do you do in your free time? Okay, let's have here.
Free time.
So we have here some new words for you to remember. We have here free time. You know the word free time?
Program. Surf.
Internet.
Karate.
Club.
Okay, first here we have free time, program, surf, internet, Karate and club. You know what is free time?
Yes.
Yeah. Program. You know what is program?
Yes.
Okay. Surf. You will have to surf in the internet. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Karate. That's karate. Next, club.
I know.
10 minutes more, club. Okay, so we have here. Okay, do you understand? You understand?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so this is easy, very easy for you. Okay,
Hi,
here.
Nam.
Oh, hi, Tom. Come in.
What are you doing?
I'm watching The World of Animals.
Do you like watching animal programs?
Yes, I often watch them in my free time.
Okay,
Do you
first a while. Hi, Nam. Okay,
Hi, Tom. Come in.
okay.
What are you doing?
I'm
I'm
watching the world of animal.
okay, I'm watching the world of animals.
Do you like watching animal programs?
Yes, I often watch them in my free time.
Do you like watching animal programs?
Yes. I often watch them in my free time.
What about you? What do you do in your free time?
I ride my bike in the park.
What about you? What do you do in your free time?
I ride my bike in the park.
Very good. Okay, so hello, grammar. Okay, what do you do in your free time, Chi? You all ask teacher. Okay, first I will ask you. Chi, what do you do in your free time?
I watch TV.
Oh, you really watch TV. What else?
I ride my bike.
I ride my bike.
And drawing.
And draw some beautiful
And draw.
things. Okay, and draw some beautiful things. Not I'm drawing. And draw some beautiful things. Okay, so you can ask teacher Anne.
What do you do in your free time?
Okay, wait for a while, Chief. Okay. So what do you do in your free time? You ask teacher Anne.
What do you do in your free time?
Okay. I watch TV, but I rarely watch TV. I only watch Netflix. You know what is Netflix? You know that? Yeah. Oh, and then I also surf in the internet. I do the Facebook like that. And then I talk to my friends. Okay, but we don't go shopping because we don't have money. Oh, see? Teacher cannot go on shopping because I don't have money. Okay. That's all. So here, next one, speaking. What you and your friends do in your free time? What you and your friends do in your free time?
We play badminton.
Wow, you play badminton. Very good. That's good to hear that you play badminton. Here, now. Here. So look at this one. Oh my God. Do you like to play football?
No, I don't.
No, I don't, teacher. Do you like to read a book?
Yes,
I do. Okay. What do you do in your free time? Do you like to play chess? Do you like to watch TV?
Uh, yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes. What will answer? Do you like to play chess? Do you like to watch TV, Chi?
yes, I do.
Very good. Yes, I do. That's my correct. That's the answer. Okay, here. So we have here, I have here. You will have to point and say. Here, look at teacher. So what do you do in your free time?
What do you do in your free time?
I surf the internet.
I surf the internet. That's free. What do you do in your free time?
I do karate.
Karate. What do you do in your free time?
I go to the cinema.
What do you do on your free time?
I clean the house.
Okay, very good. That's good to hear that you have this different activities for your free time. Yay! Good job, Chi. Okay, so it's great to know that you have this. Very good. Okay, so this is the last activity. Please try to listen and check. Okay, lesson Chi and please try to check.
1.
Do you like my new picture, Nam?
Yes, it's so nice. How often do you draw pictures, Mary?
I usually draw pictures in my free time.
2.
What do you do in your free time, Linda?
I often go to the cinema.
Do you go to the zoo?
Not very often.
3.
Where were you yesterday, Fong?
I was at the karate club.
Oh, can you do karate?
Yes, of course. I usually do karate in my free time.
So yeah, here, do you think what's the answer for number 1?
Number 1, Mary draw picture
1.
in her
Do
free
you
time.
like
Yeah, this is B. Number 2, what do you think Mary's doing? Mary is? What does
Linda,
Mary do in the free time?
she go to the cinema.
Very good. She go to the cinema. And number 3.
Farms go to the
What's this?
go to the karate club.
Karate club. Very good. Yay, perfect. Now, Chi, you got 15 over 15. Very good. Perfect score, Chi. So, Chi, you have questions. So, next time, we have to do the lesson 2. Okay. We'll be discussing lesson 2 next time. Okay. So, do you have question now?
No.
Okay, so I'll be seeing you when? On Saturday, right? You were with me on Saturday. Okay, so teacher Anne will say goodbye for now, Chi.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you on Saturday. Okay, I will send the video and your homework today. Okay, I will send it in Zalo. Okay, in Zalo I will send the homework. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Bye-bye.